Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sani Tech Bits. My name is Raman Sani and today I'm going to explain you how to install the Linux server. Okay, so without any further, let's get started. So I have created one demo machine for you. So we are going to start this. So this is the first screen when you install the CentOS Linux server. So we have to choose the install CentOS Linux. So this is the first screen whenever you install the CentOS. So here it is asking me to choose the keyboard language and here I am choosing English India and click continue. And in this screen I have to choose the installation destination option first, and here I am selecting the custom option to create the partition manually. So here I am choosing the standard partition option to create the partition and click on the plus sign to add the partition. First, I am creating the boot partition, which is the default partition of CentOS or the Linux server. Here I am giving the some space like 1024 MB and click on add mount point. I am clicking plus sign again to create another partition, and here I am creating a swap partition. Swap partition is basically a virtual memory, and it will we can create twice of my physical memory. So in my case my virtual I am giving 2 GB as in virtual memory in my VM. So here we can put 4096 as in maximum space, and I am clicking plus sign again to create the root partition. So here I am selecting the root and click add mount point to give the remaining space to the root partition and click on to the done option. Here I need to click on to the accept changes, and here there is one more option we need to modify, that is software selection. So by default installation comes with the GUI option, and but we are not preferring the GUI because of there are lots of dependencies or applications comes with the server with GUI option. So we go with the minimal install option and click on done. Also we select the network option here and click on to the network interface card. It takes the automatic IP if my DHCP is running in my network, and click on done option again. Also I have to change the time and date here, and in my case I am selecting Asia Kolkata is my default region. Click on done, and I also change the security policy option. So by default there is no content found, so we didn't change anything here. Also we are disabling the kdump option. Just uncheck this enable kdump option and select on done option and click on begin installation. So during the installation it is asking me to change the root password. So here I am going to change the root password. Select done. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes to get completed, and after getting rebooted my CentOS operating system getting installed. So my server is installed now. Please make sure you have to remove your pen drive or the CD before getting rebooted. So I'm going to remove my CentOS media. Now, now I'm able to log in with my default root user, the password which I have given at the time of installation. Okay, it's done. So thank you guys. That's all from my side. Please keep watching and like and subscribe my channel to get updated for my new videos. Thank you.